Hello viewers, today we are going to learn decimal division. So this is a part 1 in the series of video about decimal division I am going to make. So let's get started. Let's have example a quantity 12.4 decimal number divided by 8. So decimal division, we'll start it as a normal division, but we need to take care of the decimal point here. So what we'll do, we'll put the decimal and in the quotient just above the decimal point in the dividend. So I'll show you how we do this. So we'll write it as is and then we'll divide it by 8. So first we'll check the highest decimal place. Here 1 is the highest decimal place. Here we see that 1 is not divisible by 8 because it is very less. So we'll take two numbers together. So 12, we'll divide 12 by 8. So we'll count the tables of 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. So we'll get the remainder 4, and then just above this decimal point in the dividend, now we'll get 4 and in the remainder, and we need to drop the next number, but in between there is a decimal point. So we'll put the decimal point in the quotient as just above the decimal point in the dividend, and then we'll drop down the next number, which is 4 here, and then we'll count the decimal, we'll count the tables of 8. So tables 8 times 5 is 40. So this is 40 and then this is 0, this is 4. Now this 4 is the remainder. If there is a remainder, what we'll do is we'll write a 0 to continue the division. So because we have already put the decimal point, so we can write the 0 in decimal division, not in normal division. In normal division we can't put the 0. We need to put a decimal point for that. So here we are doing decimal division, so we'll put the 0 here, and then we'll count the decimal, we'll count the tables of 8, which is 8 times 5 is 40. So this will be 40, and the remainder is 0. So our quotient is 1.55. Let's take another example. 104.60 divided by 4. So we'll start by writing the number as this, and then here we will check. Here also we'll take two numbers together because 1 is very less than 4. 1 is not divisible by 4, so we'll take two numbers. So 4 times 2 is 8. Remainder is 2. Then we'll drop down the next number, which is 4 here. Then we'll count the tables of 4. So 4 times 6 is 24. Now we see that there is point in between, so we'll put the point in the quotient, and then we'll move forward with the next number, which is 6. Now we'll count the tables of 4, which is 4 times 1 is 4. So we'll get the remainder as 2, and then we'll drop down the last digit, which is 0, and then 4 times 5 is 20. So remainder is 0. So a quotient in this case is 26.15. In this way we do decimal division. Thanks for watching. Please comment and like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe.